You can make over $3,000 every single month by copying and paste from Pinterest to TikTok. So you're going to go and download your Pinterest app from Play Store or App Store. After downloading the app, or alternatively, you might choose to go to Pintrest.com. Pintrest.com. When you go to Pintrest.com, this is the page that you're going to have. So you're going to tap on Get Started here. When you tap on Get Started here, you're going to sign up as a business. After signing up as a business, you can also log in through the app. After logging in through the app, you're going to come and find content in your niche, right? You're going to scroll and find content in your niche. For example, which content can we use for example? For example, let's go for this one. So this is in the make money online niche, right? So what you're going to do, you're going to keep looking for content in one specific niche. And the best thing about Pinterest is that once you find once you find certain kind of content, you can go to that very page and look for more and more related content in that same niche. So after doing that, you're going to tap on these three options. When you tap on these three options, you're going to tap on download image. When you tap on download image, you're going to do the same for other related content in that same niche. So after doing that, you have to go to Canva. So you need to have Canva in your phone. So once you come to Canva, you're going to upload that content from Pinterest to Canva so that you can edit it into short form video content. So you tap on video. When you tap on videos, you're going to scroll down until you find TikTok video. When you find TikTok video, you're going to tap on create blank. Create blank. After tapping on create blank, you're going to have a blank page and another page on top of the blank page. So you have to come right here where you see design, element, text, camera roll, brand, uploads, draw project. So you tap on uploads. When you tap on uploads, you go to upload files, photo library, and you upload the file or the content that you got from Pinterest. So you now upload it to Canva. So you do the same. You upload the videos. Where do the videos come from? The videos come from these websites. To get the videos, you have to come to pixels.com. So you come to pixels.com and you download different videos, then you upload them to Canva. So the same way with the audios or sounds, where do you get the sounds? You get the sounds from this other site. So after searching for this site, you come and get the sounds, you download them to your phone, then you upload them to Canva. So this is where now the editing comes in. So when you're doing the editing, of course, you need to first choose the video itself. After choosing the video itself, you edit all your content and push it to TikTok. So if you want to know my step-by-step strategy on how I do editing, just check my link in the bio. It will take you to step-by-step full tutorial session on how you can make your first $2,000 on TikTok as an affiliate.